Now, now please see this problem number C. This is again very important question. This we have given 10x is equal to b by a, and we have been asked to find the value of a plus b, a minus b, plus root of under square a minus b by a plus b, under root a minus b by a plus b. So let's start with this. We can write this as root over a b by a. Then we can divide, we have to divide by a numerator and denominator by a. Then what we will get? 1 plus b by a, again 1 minus b by a, plus root over, again here we will divide both numerator and denominator by a. We will get 1 minus b by a by 1 plus b by a. This is equal to, now we will put the value of b by a, that is 10x. 1 plus 10x, 1 minus 10x, plus under root 1 minus 10x, 1 plus 10x. This is equal to, from this we can write this 10x sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x, we will get cos x under root cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x. Similarly, we can write this as cos x minus sin x, cos x plus sin x. Now cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x will cos x minus this we can write as cos x plus sin x to the power 2, and here we can write as cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x to the power 2. This we can write as cos x, this we can write as 2 cos x, 2 cos x divided by cos square x minus sin square x root over minus sin x. This one is our answer. 2 cos x by cos under root cos square x minus sin square x. Here in this problem number 7, sin x is given, that is sin x is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square, and we have to find the value of 10x sec x by cosec x. How to proceed? We know that 1 plus sin square x is equal to cos cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. We can write sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Let's find the value of sin square x from here. sin square x is equal to a square minus sin square x is equal to 1 minus we have sin square x we will write better write this cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Now cos square x is equal to 1 minus a square minus b square to the power 2 and we can write this as 1 minus a square plus b square to the power 2, and here we can write as a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2a square minus b square. Again we can write this cos square x is equal to a square plus b square, a square a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square plus b square minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus here getting cancelled, a to b, this one also getting cancelled, and what we are left with 4 a square b square by a square plus b square by 2. Sin x we know. Now we can find out this now we can write cos x. Therefore cos x is equal to 2ab a square plus b square. Now we can write tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x we know a square minus b square by plus b square, and cos x is equal to, how we can write this as a square plus b square by 2ab. This will get cancelled, and now we'll get tan x is equal to a square minus b square by 2ab. Similarly we can find out this sec x and cos x. Now come to next question number 8. Cos x minus sin x is equal to a to the power 3, and sec x minus cos x is equal to b to the power 3, and we have to prove a square b square bracket close a square plus b square is equal to 1. A to the power 3 is equal and b to the power 3. This we can write as 1 by sin x minus sin x is equal to a to the power 3. This is we can write as sin x minus sin x 1 minus sin square x by sin x is equal to a to the power 3, or that is a to the power 3 is equal to 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x, we know that 1 minus sin square x is equal to cos square x, so write there cos square x by sin x. Similarly BQ, similarly BQ 1 by cos x minus cos x is equal to BQ. This we can write as cos x 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x we can write as sin square x. This BQ is equal to sin square x by cos x. From this we can write as a cube by b cube is equal to, now a cube by b cube is equal to cos square x by sin x. This let's write cos square x by sin x divided by b cube. B cube is equal to sin square x by cos x. We can write this x cos x by sin x, sin square x, cos to the power 3x by sin to the power 3x. Therefore we can write a by b as cos to the power x by sin to the power x. That is sin x by cos x, or we can write this, or we can write this as, we can write as tan x is equal to b by a. Tan x is equal to b by a. Now we have to prove that a square by b square, a square plus b square is equal to 1. Now tan x by this tan x is equal to perpendicular by base, means perpendicular, this one is base and a, this one equal to a square plus b square. Therefore we can write as sin x is equal to sin x is equal to perpendicular b by and cos x, base cos x is equal to base a by hypotenuse a by now we'll put this value here in this equation. Let's put the value of sin x by cos x here. What we will get, we'll put the value of sin x by cos x in this equation. We'll get a cube is equal to cos square x, means a square by into sin x divided by sin x is b square. We can by d. Now we can write this as a square by b root over b square. This we can write as a is a square, and a square will cancel from here. We will left with one a, that is ab root over b square is equal to 1. Squaring both sides we will get proved. We have proved this one, hence proved. Now come to next question. Cos x tan x plus 2 tan x plus 1 is equal to 2 sec x plus 5 2 sec x plus 5 sin x. I can write this LHS is equal to cos x sin x by cos x 2 sin x this is equal to cos x Student, this one is very easy. Please do it yourself. Now come to last question. Question number 10. A is equal to sec x minus 10x, B is equal to cosec x plus cot x. Prove that AB plus A minus B plus 1. This also you can do it yourself. This one is also very easy. Multiply this one A into B, and we can write this as sec x minus 10x by B cos x plus cot x plus sec x minus 10x sec x minus 10x minus cosec x minus cot x plus 1 plus 1. Now this is equal to we can write this as 1 by let's find out first sec x minus 10s is equal to 1 by cos x minus this is equal to cos x 1 minus sin x, and cos x cosec x plus cot x is equal to 1 by sin x plus cos x by sin x. This is equal to 1 plus cos x by sin x. Now multiplying this, what you will get? Cosec x plus cot x is equal to this 1 minus sin x by cos x into 1 plus cosec x by sin x. This is equal to sin x cos x, and this equal to 1 plus cos x. Multiplying this will get 1 plus cos x minus sin x by cos x. Now now we can write this here. Now we can write this here. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus cos x minus sin x minus sin x by sin x cos x by cos x, and what you are left with, this sec x minus 10x. I can write this in this form. Again, sec x minus 10x is equal to 1 minus sin x by cos x, and here again this cos x plus cot x, we have we can write this as minus 1 plus cos x by this one is minus plus 1. Now again this is equal to 1 plus cos x minus sin x minus multiplying this by sin x minus sin square x cos x minus cos x minus cos square x plus 1. Now this is equal to this will become 1. Sin x cos x 1 plus cos x minus sin x this one is plus sin x cos x plus sin x minus sin square x plus minus this will become 1, so we can write as minus 1 minus cos x plus 1. This sin cos x is getting cancelled, 1 and minus 1 is getting cancelled, this sin x and minus sin x is getting cancelled. We are left with this is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. We have proved. Thank you students for watching our channel Jai Gurudev Maths Classes. Please like and subscribe. Thank you students.